Today we'll look at how to import materials with Step 242. Here we have a Step 242 file that has material properties in it, and what we need to do is make sure that we have the toggle on for user-defined attributes. That's what will bring in the material properties if they're available using the Step 242 import. Now that the file has been imported, it created a PRT file. We'll go ahead and open up the PRT file that was created from the Step 242 import. And we can interrogate the material properties in two ways. One is by taking a look at the part attributes. And here we can see under all part attributes we have a material and aluminum 6061. Now if available, if further properties are available, we can see those by going into the Manage Materials dialog here, and we can select Inspect, and we can see things like density, Young's modulus, Poisson's ratio. So that's how to import material properties with Step 242.